Hi guys, welcome back to the Wright's cooking channel. Today we're going to do some barbecue ribs. Let's get started. Yes guys, this is the ribs and we're just going to get started and get it seasoning. So let's get started. This is our all-purpose seasoning, guy. I already sprinkle a little seasoning on it overnight and then put it in the fridge. So now I'm just gonna do a complete seasoning on it. And this is the black pepper. Sprinkle a little salt on it. This is our basil leaves. This is our salt-free seasoning. This is our onion powder. And this is our garlic powder. This is our Jamaican jerk seasoning. I'm gonna rub in the seasoning on this side and get it soaked in. And now I'm gonna turn it, guys. I'm just gonna go over about the season. Add a little to this side, not much. And I'm gonna use my other jerk seasoning, just a little. And I'm gonna put my little more jerks on it. And I'm gonna rub it in, guys. And I'm gonna set back these in the pan so that they can soak for another 30 minutes. And this is it. Okay guys, now we're going to put our ribs on the grill. And we're using charcoal. And this is what it look like, guys, and we're gonna make this do its best until around 40 minutes. We look back at it. back on our ribs. Looking good.
Hi guys, today we're gonna make some cornbread to go with our meal, and I'm gonna be using the Jiffy Mix cornbread. I'm gonna be using a whole can of sweet corn, whole corn. I'm gonna be using cream style corn, 2 eggs, sour cream, and I'm gonna be using a half a cup of butter. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do, I mixed up 2 eggs. I'm gonna pour them into my bowl. Next, I'm gonna add in my corn. That was my sweet corn, whole kernel. I'm gonna add in my cream style corn. And next, I'm going to add in my sour cream. This is 8 ounces. I'm going to add my butter. This is a half a cup. Next, I'm going to add in my Jiffy Mix cornbread. And I'll be adding the whole thing. All right. I'm also going to add in cheese, and you can add the cheese as you want. This is what we like, so I just added all of that. It's about a half a bag. Next, we're going to mix all of this up together. Okay. Nice and mixed up. I preheated my oven to 375, and I also pre-greased my pan with oil, and I'm going to pour all of this into my pan. And then I'm going to put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. I'm going to check on it, and I'll let you know how long it took. Okay, I'll be back.
Okay guys, this is our ribs. It's through, and this is what it look like. And I'm gonna cut it up.
It's really, really tender. It looks so good. Then cut that bone. Okay guys, here's our meal plated up. We got our ribs, we got our cornbread, we got our coleslaw, and my husband's eating the same. Okay, I want to thank you guys for visiting our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know how we're doing. And don't forget to push that red button. Okay, bye-bye.